Okay. We're on? Good. So, got a lot of questions about adding smoke, fluid, to this point right here where the smokestack is. This is a dropper from Broadway Limited that comes with the Reading T1s, and it's great. It's just a little difficult to get into here, and that causes issues. So basically, this hole is pretty small, so when you put drops in, it will surface and get stuck, and the smoke generator won't operate. So I found a way around it. This is my fix. Everyone has a different thing for sure, but I don't use this. We got rid of that. And we're gonna add one of these. Oops. So a syringe. Yeah, it's funky, but it works perfect. It's because this hole is microscopic, which is great. So I'll show you how to do that. So I'm using the JT's Mega Steam popcorn flavor, or scented flavor, whatever you want to call it. It's awesome. They have a bunch of different flavors, of course. If you really want, you can look on our website and check them out. But they do recommend the Marklin. This is very lightweight. 250 milliliters, and this is the part number right here, 02421. So either one will work. It's just got to be thin enough. So let's check this out here. And just to give you a comparison, of course this is more for HO or O gauge, but yeah, you can see size difference here. So let's set this off to the side. And with this, carefully, make sure all the air's out of it. Take your dagger and take up a little bit. And set that to the side. Now, this is the important part for me. So it's all the way down. And so just very lightly. And you want to do it little by little because this thing does not take much. Let's blow some air in here. So suck up just nothing. Suck up air. There you go. And blow that in. So cap this off 100%. That to the side. Let's get rid of this. And let's see if it works. And there you go. And I'll show you the CV settings next, because when they come stock, you do not get this flow of smoke. Okay, so now we're in the CV settings. I'll show you which ones to change to make this work right. So it's going to be these in the Paragon 4 manual you find online. Level 1 stopped. So this is the heat unit inside, how hot you want it when the engine is stopped and how hot you want it when it's moving. The defaults are 70 and 80. I find those did not work, so I turned those up. I'll tell you the numbers when we go through it. This is just to show you the CV, so write these down, and then when you get to the programming track, you can just kind of go nuts with it. Those we're going to be changing 232, the idle fan power, and then the chef power, loaded chef power, and the chef time. And you can adjust these how you want, but this is what I've programmed, what CVs I've programmed to get these to work correctly. So let's go ahead and start with this, and I'll see you at the program track. Let's see here. Can I get this on the screen? I need batteries. Okay, 2. Now let's start with 218. And let's read it. So it's at 175. That's what I changed it to. 218 is 175. And then I also changed 219 to 175. And then go ahead and change 232 to 6. And change 233 to 70. And 234. Change to 80. And finally 237. Change to 60. And then the previous effects you've seen of the smoke will happen. All right, good luck. Let me know if you have any questions. Cheers.